Today we are here at Mahalakshmi, the luxury that charms your life with a touch of extraordinary every day. Runwal Enterprises is coming with their new launch in the heart of the city of South Mumbai, presenting to you 7 Mahalakshmi located on the NM Joshi Marg in Mahalakshmi. Remarkable history and a success story of Runwal Enterprises with over 45 years of experience and 65 plus projects, starting from the RCity Mall to different areas like Kanjurmarg and Mulund, and the projects we have covered like Runwal Bliss and Runwal Pinnacle across the central of Mumbai. Now they're coming to South Mumbai with their new launch of this project that I'll be giving you the briefing and overview about. So now I'll be giving you an explanation of this exclusive property which is spread across 6 acres of the land parcel with 3 towers in total. 1 and 2 towers are already launched. The first tower is a G plus 77 story building and the tower 2 is of around G plus 51 story building with 3 levels of basement and 7 levels of podium parking. The 8th and 9th are for your amenities area with rooftop amenities also available. Rooftop amenities that give you jacuzzi, sky lounge area, senior citizens area, etc. And the podium level amenities give you a 65,000 square feet clubhouse which is very rare and the biggest across Mumbai, with other amenities like half Olympic size swimming pool, indoor games, multi-purpose court, yoga deck and mini golf course. They also have a fabulous connectivity with monorail that covers this project very well efficiently. Sant Gadge Maharaj monorail station and Lower Parel monorail station is at a distance of 2 to 5 minutes, with Mahalakshmi railway station also at a distance of 5 to 10 minutes. Mahalakshmi race course and coastal road are also at a near distance. In the vicinity comes the Jain temple, which is also another USP of this project. And talking about the USPs, this project is very well connected to Lower Parel, Mahalakshmi and other parts of South Mumbai. Very well connected and very well efficient. So this was about the connectivity and the project overview. They have 2, 3, 4 and Jodi flats available. Now I'll be showing you the sample. So now I'll be showing you my exquisite luxury premium 3 BHK sample flat with carpet area 1266 square feet. Here is our massive door with DigiLocker. You're entering into my luxury premium expansive living room. Here is our living area with essence of luxury, as you can see, and attached deck for your open space. From the 77th floor you can enjoy the beautiful view of whole Mumbai and across the South Mumbai Mahalakshmi area. Beautiful and premium location. Here moving now to our royal and luxury dining area for your amazing and spacious dining set. As you can see here, well decorated camouflaged door for your common washroom, which again has premium fittings. This is a butterfly layout house. So first I'll be showing you this part of the house, starting here, getting into our double platform kitchen which has granite and enough space for your compartments, and here is again very spacious utility area also given to you attached with your kitchen. Here is your refrigerator area. Moving on, now we're getting into our master bedroom number 1, which is again very spacious with our attached deck for your evening table. This is the only master bedroom that you're getting the attached deck with. Again moving on into our walk-in closet, which is again very premium and comes with attached washroom with premium fittings. The floor to ceiling height for this apartment is mega 11 feet. So now let's go across the living room. Now we are getting into the other 2 master bedrooms that I'll be showing you. Here is our foyer area, and now again getting into the exclusive walk-in wardrobe with attached washroom which has ceramic and vitrified tilings and branded fittings given to you the same way. So we're getting into the master bedroom number 2, which is again, as you can see, with a touch of luxury and very beautifully decorated. So you can take the inspirations from here. Now we are getting into the L-shaped master bedroom number 2. Here again we have our walk-in closet, as you can see. And apart from this walk-in closet, as you can see, it is very spacious. You have enough space for walking, for decorating your couch, your bedroom and your double-sized bed. Again comes with full-length windows to enjoy your beautiful view of Mahalakshmi, and with attached washroom, spacious, and comes with a touch of luxury branded fitting. So this was my 3 BHK sample flat, which is very premium and luxury by Runwal Enterprises for you, and the pricing here for 2 BHK is starting from 4.23 CR all inclusive. 3 BHK here is starting from 6.28 CR and 4 BHK starts from 8.82 CR all inclusive. And they also have amazing and flexible payment plans for you exclusively. So, for booking purpose and more information, contact us today on the given details below. Until next time, thank you.